What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to another video. So we're gonna go meet up with Z real quick. You can probably tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be unboxing all the clutch parts that we're gonna be installing for the BRZ. It's a bunch of bushings, a bunch of different trans mounts, and the clutch itself, the pressure plate, all those things came in the mail. And I was being patient, waiting for everything to come in so that I can do an unboxing video for you guys and show you everything we bought and why we bought those things. But also, Steven is actually working on his V3 wide body kit. We're gonna go head out to his shop and see what he's up to. I think he already has some of the kit on it. What he's working on is fixing some of the fitment issues that he's having. So we're gonna go head out and help him out and see if we can learn a little bit about working with body kits. And we're gonna bring Z along, so it should be a fun day. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Actually, there's one more. All my car parts. Guys, this is my dad, by the way. Say hi, bye.
Hello everybody, how you doing?
Doesn't this guy look like me? You wish.
I don't think so. You wish you looked like me, bro.
This guy's a funny guy. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to go hit that like and subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the car videos that we post this summer. It's gonna be lit and you guys don't want to miss it. Are you vlogging? Yo, is he vlogging? Yo, what? Yo, what is that, bro? What are you holding?
It's a gimbal, bro. Look at this. More sophisticated than yours, bro.
Yo, that's fire, Z. He is starting a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna link his YouTube channel in the description so you guys can subscribe to his channel.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so we made it to Steven's shop after an hour drive. My freaking back is killing me. That's one of the things that I really hate about this car is like when you go on long trips, these freaking seats are the worst. Am I right, Z?
The car, you're like sitting on the floor.
Yeah, exactly. Especially if you're lower like me. I mean, I'm not that low, but it's low enough.
Low life body back.
Low life, that's right. But it's uncomfortable, man. I'm just saying. That's all I'm saying. Now we just gotta find Steven. And where the freak is his car?
There.
Oh, there he is. Dude, he's mad reckless, yo.
Yo, that timing though.
That timing though, where were you at,
Oh, I
bro?
thought you heard his Honda exhaust and you came.
Probably. So on this kit, I kind of had to figure out where to base it off of. Like which one to actually start with.
Yeah.
For fitting purposes. And I actually ended up starting with this piece. And that was solely for the fact of it overlapped in the jam here. And it bolts and it screws onto the wheel well here.
So that's the central part.
So it's kind of like
that has to be
there's
screwed.
very minimal adjustment with it. It kind of just fell into place, so that's why I started with that one. I actually ended up starting out here, starting my screws on like the first 2 or 3, because in order to get this, because this was actually probably about a ½ inch high. So once those 3 screws were set, I was able to flex this, pull it down, and get a screw. I put this screw in, and that's what allowed me to kind of follow the line. Because without that, I mean, if I just would have like put a bolt here and put a bolt here, it would have been way up here. So obviously once you have that done, then you move on from the front and you just kind of work yourself. It's kind of like anything else. Like whenever you line a car up, you always start with like your stationary panels. So if you're going to put a fender on a car, you always line it up to the door. You line your door up to your quarter. So just start from that panel and work your way out. I fastened it with self-tappers because it was easy enough to just put a small screw in since you have to make the hole bigger anyway. Well, originally I looked at the Cosmos Racing.
Yeah.
Just because I didn't feel like ordering the Volk shed. Because I want TE37s.
But those got custom probably.
Well, I know, you told me they're like 6 months out. So,
Yeah,
so pretty much I'm kind of going to go with 2 bits. I already have drills made from the self-tappers, holes made. But I'm gonna step up with 2 different bits because our metal is really freaking shitty. So, yeah, so you
It's
did.
like 22 gauges.
Yeah. Dude, the self-tappers freaking pulled the metal out. So, I'm gonna step up with 2 different bits. That way I don't have to put as much pressure. Because you will dent these panels. So. Honestly, the first couple killed me.
For real?
You're like, damn, yo, there's no going back.
3M single step primer. It's pretty much a windshield primer. So I'm using this to coat the bare metal to prevent it from rusting down the road. Yeah, kind of just keep it clean, and that way once the rubber goes in there and then it compresses, at least there's no bare metal. So we're gonna start bolting these up and just seeing how they kind of line up and everything. Make sure that drilling out the holes, they all stayed centered.
All right, guys. So Steven is feeling a little bit
Did you
lazy
record
right
all
now.
that?
So yes, I did. So what I'm gonna do is do the unboxing like I mentioned earlier in the video. So all of this was pretty much suggested by Steven because he's running this setup right now on his car. Actually, I test drove it the other day and I really like how it felt. So we're gonna jump right into it. We're gonna start off with the smallest thing, which is the Cusco bushings. The way I did it was, which was like the cheapest way to do it, I ordered some specific parts from ACT, and then I ordered some stuff from 86 Speed, and then the Cusco bushings I ordered from FT86 because it wasn't on 86speed.com. So I'm gonna link everything in the description so you guys can go follow those links. This was the cheapest way to do it, and I didn't want to order a full clutch kit because I didn't want a lightweight flywheel, and I wanted to run a stock weight flywheel, so that's why we did it like this. And I'll explain why we're doing it this way when we actually do the install video.
You didn't cut it straight. Oh my god.
Nigga, it's open, nigga. That's what it matters.
Yeah, that was like Christmas Day.
Bro, this is the worst ASMR video ever.
Yo, shut up, bro. So that's that. And now this one I opened, but I didn't really get into
Don't they have
it.
a-
So this is the throw out bearing.
And
And it's pretty cool.
sticker.
They send, huh?
All important sticker.
They send a couple awesome decals. All right.
One to the house.
Cool for the house.
Yo, my
And-
stickers weren't this cool.
It's because it's 25th anniversary.
I see that.
Oh, I also ordered the
Yo, also
other-
make sure
yeah, the pilot.
Oh,
bear.
yeah, you need.
our stock one's garbage
Dude,
too.
our stock ones are garbage. I actually started running aftermarket because my stock was
Man, that thing's small as shit.
This is the sprung disc.
Spring disc.
Yeah, and then my second throw out went out. I put a competition clutch one in. Second one went out within 20,000 miles.
Don't touch it with your oily ass hands.
Bro, it's in plastic, nigga.
I know you
Relax.
put that hair coconut
Oh, that
oil, whatever that
greasy
shit
ass
is. the
thing.
Yeah, I'll
greasy
give you
ass
some
hair,
coconut
yeah.
oil, nigga.
What? Damn, Bobby.
So
that
this
a
is the streets. This is the street sprung disc. We got an organic full face because we be out here daily driving. So that's that.
think it's pretty small.
That's what she said.
All those games.
Yeah, what games, bro?
Can't take care of any pocket peanuts.
Damn, this is heavy.
Yeah. It's the actual cover.
This is dope, dude. The packaging is pretty
come on,
dope.
my fucking $1,000 clutch was in this package this nice.
No way. Alright, so this is the pressure plate. This is the extreme.
Bobby's explanation. It puts pressure on.
Come on, Bobby.
So, yeah, that. This is the pressure plate. This is the extreme street pressure plate.
Pretty much.
The
right
part
now,
that does
The pushing
the push
of the thing
basically
that engages.
what this
hello.
Jim right here is trying to say is his car is going to go from benching 85 pounds to 315. That's basically what
There
he's
you
trying
go.
to say.
In a way.
Yeah.
I'm not good with the words.
But he still
so-
benches 115.
Oh my god. This is just a roast Bobby sesh.
we gotta have actually a roast for Bobby.
So these are the positive shift bushings for the shifter, obviously.
In the gym.
Yo. M10. They just use the Mishimoto box
Yeah, the tape on.
and the white line.
Yeah, how does he have to put pressure to cut tape? That's some bullshit.
You gotta let the knife do the work, not your arms.
Is this really that heavy?
That's nothing, my guy.
Should be about 18 or 19 pounds.
Yeah.
It feels like it's way more than that. This is pretty much everything that we're gonna be installing when we, when we do the install. Alright guys, that's going to be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. So real quick update actually before I close it out. So he didn't get to finish cutting the rear quarter panel because why?
Because I need more blades.
He needs more blades. So what we're going to do is we're going to close it out here and pick it up on Thursday. He's going to do some work to it throughout the week. So we're not going to see that, but the more important part is already pretty much done.
So pretty much later on in the week, Bobby's gonna come back. I'm already gonna have the metal pieces made because instead of doing the typical welding, I'm actually gonna do a panel bonding process on these. So that way there's no exposed metal, no rust down the road.
Nice.
So I'm gonna already have the pieces made. So when Bobby comes back, it's just gonna be a matter of gluing them in and really doing a final fitment on the wide body before paint.
Right. And he said he should be getting his wheels on Friday, you said? So he wants to have it ready by the weekend. So if I can be here on the weekend, maybe take some shots of it and do some cinematic shots.
Well, if anything, it'll probably be assembly on Saturday.
Okay.
So
That'd be
try and
perfect.
get the stuff painted Friday and get it all back together.
Nice. So I'll try to show you guys the end result, and I'll try to show you as much as I can of the process, according to how it works out throughout the week. And if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. Obviously, I don't know anything about this, so I'll probably just ask Steven about it, and we'll answer any of your questions that you guys have. A few shout outs to my man Z for coming through. It's been a lot of fun. Honestly, all we did was kind of watch and learn from Steven.
And crack jokes on everything.
And crack jokes, especially on Bobby. I don't know why. But anyways,
Did you really just speak in the third person?
Yeah.
I did.
That's not cool.
That's not cool.
Nepotism.
That's not cool. Yo, scratch that.
Bobby does not like this.
Shut the hell up, yo.
Bobby is embarrassed.
Yo. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.